If you manage 20 plus field workers across multi-day projects, you're facing three problems that are costing you deals, burning out your team, and killing your margins. Thankfully, ikeom.ai is here to help you with those. Hi, my name is Nitin, and I'm the co-founder for ikeom.ai, the only platform built for supercharging field service operations. So let's dive in on the problems and how we solve them. Problem 1. Your team takes forever to submit bids and proposals. Nobody knows who's available when, what the real schedule looks like, and by the time you submit your proposals, the competitor has already won the project. Problem 2. Your scheduling coordinator spends 12 hours every week building schedules manually in Excel, checking and managing availability for 20 plus workers, juggling skills, certifications, travels, and existing commitments, optimizing utilization. One unfortunate error and it all falls apart and you have to do it again. Problem 3. Nobody can actually see the real schedule because there is no single source of truth. Your office has one version in Excel, yet the field workers are calling to ask that there should be. Double bookings are happening, yet the workers are sitting idle. It's bad, and you know it. When you hit 20 plus workers across simultaneous projects, it's a sign that your operations have outgrown spreadsheets. Now it's time for ikeom. Our AI-based proprietary decision intelligence algorithm, templatized libraries, and synchronized calendars enable for you one-click quoting, smart scheduling, and establish real-time visibility for your operations. Schedule a demo through the link below to understand how ikeom can help you win against your competitors and improve your margins at the same time.